snowing again. Look at that. There's my overhang again. Like he's gonna knock it down. He's gonna go out here and tromp my snow down. See, big overhang.
You got sickles or just...
No, it's a overhang.
It's like an avalanche ready to fall.
Scoot forward. It's right over there.
Oh,
See
yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's clear up to my
That's what
door.
it said.
It's like overflowing it.
That deep.
How funny. Well, don't stomp the snow down. Let me get my snow shovel.
Yeah.
Don't you go out there in your bare feet.
That's what I was going to do.
Michael?
Oh.
Don't do that. I'm gonna knock the snow down. He's crazy.
Undercut it and down it comes.
He's crazy.
Ta-da!
It's clear up to my door. Where's my measuring? He's out there in bare feet.
Yes, I am.
My poor tree.
Yes, indeed. Watch it rise.
Yeah, maybe. It's pretty cold.
When I get all that weight off of it, it'll come up.
He's out there in bare feet. He's crazy.
Going up.
The branches are going up.
Look at this one.
I know.
I don't think I can reach that one.
There you go. You got it.
Come on. Like I don't know that I can reach those from here.
Yeah, that'll be okay. That's the stronger tree.
Yeah.
That's the stronger tree. I wouldn't worry about it so much.
There's quite a bit of snow up there, baby.
I know it.
Look at the car.
I know.
3 foot deep.
Well, it's 36 inches at Evergreen.
Uh-huh. How much was it here?
I haven't seen the updated totals for Northglenn. Okay. So right here at my door, where it's drifting up to the door, is like not 5.5.
Got a snow load on it?
Now here, 6.5. Way over there is knee high. Not a grasshopper. But it's snowing again.
Let me autograph your stick, babe.
Well, I got the shovel.
You know.
I did it out there.
Okay. Let me shovel.
Let's take it straight to the edge. That's what I normally do. If you do it right, you can just take it straight to the edge.
Yeah, that one. This is a
Heavy, wet snow, I know.
rock.
Oh, I can make some
Yes, you can.
snow ice cream.
We got you some stuff.
Because I got the stuff for it. I made sure I bought some this time. Oh my gosh. That's like 2 foot out there. Maybe. Yeah, it's knee high out there. Okay.
One more run.
Yeah.
It drifted on my back porch. It normally doesn't drift on my back porch. And then it drifted on my back porch.
The wind.
Yep.
You never know about them drifts.
It normally doesn't drift back here, but it did. He went crooked. And it's like 16.
Right there.
I was going to take a snapshot of it.
I'm sorry. For the best.
Okay. Oh look, it's 20 inches over here. Told you it was knee high. Look at this.
Knee-high to a grasshopper.
Yeah, knee-high to a grasshopper. No, it's deeper than that. Brrr. It's flipping cold out there. What is it out there?
It's 13. That's 13 inches.
Oh, that's what they
Pretty much
said.
standard, yeah.
And 2-foot drifts out there.
Yeah.
At least they finally got the strip down to the ground out there. They finally came through again. Yep.
Hee-haw!
Brrr.